Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Circle K app correctly at pump. Okay, first thing that you should do is simply open your application. Then here it will show you a map in the stores section. Now, when you click on any one of these stations, it will show you exactly how much is the fuel or oil in this station. Now you can go and click on store details in order to see more details, or click on get directions in order to show you exactly what is the nearest way in order to approach this station or this store. Circle K's Enters Reward Cycle program gives you discounts and deals. You just have to sign up for free in the app to start saving. You can save money on your fuel every day just for being a member. Also, look for special deals on snacks and drinks. Spend regularly to unlock even better rewards. To pay at the pump, sign up for Easy Pay. This links your bank account and gives you an even bigger discount on fuel. Follow the instructions to register. When you are at the pump, select Easy Pay as your payment method and follow the on screen steps. The app is useful inside the store. You can find app only deals and redeem rewards at checkout. Some locations even let you subscribe to car wash services through the app. Explore the app and find all the available features. If you want to pay inside, you can scan the QR code inside the store to get all the rewards from the app. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new tutorial and a new video.